Hello student, if you like my video, please press like button and subscribe my channel. I'm Veena Dikshit. I'm preparing you for ionic equilibrium and chemical equilibrium. Just start the unit, find out unit of Kc. So twice of NO plus Cl2 gives you twice of NaCl gas. So expression for the equilibrium constant you have to write down first. So K is the equilibrium constant, value of this is K. So K is equal to NaCl molar concentration of NaCl square and square of molar concentration of NO and product of molar concentration of NO square multiplied by molar concentration of Cl2. Unit of this molar concentration I am saying, so in terms of mole per liter we write on mole per liter is square of mole per liter, here is square of mole per liter, only here mole per liter. So these are cancel. So unit will be K1 by mole per liter, that is simplify it, mole inverse liter. This is the unit of K. In terms of, suppose in terms of mole per dm cube, at that time we will write on it in terms of dm cube. So mole inverse 1 and dm cube. This is the equilibrium constant for this reaction. Now unit of equilibrium constant for the production of ammonia. N2 plus 3H2 gives you twice of NH3 and reaction is exothermic. Delta H is equal to minus x kilojoule per mole. So first of all write on this equilibrium expression. K is equal to ammonia square of molar concentration of ammonia divided by molar concentration of nitrogen and the cube of molar hydrogen concentration. So the product of nitrogen and hydrogen concentration. Okay, so we write down the unit of this. Here mole per liter to square of it, so mole per liter into mole per liter. Here 4 times mole per liter you have to write down. So mole per liter. Here instead of that, since above there are only 2, so here only I have written mole per liter, and here I have written mole square liter inverse 2. So these are cancelled and this unit will be go 1 by this mole square per liter square. So here we will see K is equal to mole power negative 2 liter power 2. So or in terms of mole dm cube, so if we will express liter in dm cube term, at that moment mole is inverse power inverse 2 and divided multiplied by dm cube square, or we can write down mole inverse 2 dm6. Now how do I find out this? I have written mole per dm cube square of mole per dm cube, mole per dm cube, mole per dm cube whole cube. So